we go. Jace Crow here. Today I'm going to be showing you the Harrison crow call by Hooks Custom Calls. That was obviously designed by James Harrison. So I'm going to give you a little demonstration on it here. Then, if you want to call a little bit quieter, you can do that. Now here's what I like about this call. This call right here pulls right on apart, okay? Pulls apart, you got your two sides and your reed. So if it gets stopped up, you can always take out your reed and clean it after blowing it and all that. And to put it back together, all you do, you got your reed here, set it on top of that plastic piece, put your other plastic piece on top of it, and then always have your pointed side of the reed facing up towards where your mouth's going to be. And you level them up, shove the thing back into the call. Thank y'all for watching.